We stood like giants then, before the years took their toll. Now the ranks are getting thinner, and the names are fading fast, while defense clings to a deceptive version of our past. We weren't training in Malaysia, or just spending time with a mate. We were defending the airbase from attack. Rifle Company, Butterworth veterans are still waiting, watching the government's policy delay, deny until they die. We wait for the fair go that seems to have left Canberra's halls. Minister Keogh, all we want is your respect, and for you to